Okay, so you're substituting b plus c for the x. And so if you write the function negative 3x plus 1, I'm just going to place a placeholder. And in place of the x, I place the b plus c. And then you're going to go ahead and perform the distributive property, right? Put a negative 3, multiply, multiply. And you get negative 3b minus 3c plus 1. And you cannot clean it up. There's no like terms, right? The b is a different letter than c, and 1 is a constant. So that's it, right? Just because we're here for I, h of x. So h of x is 12 over x. So then they want you to find x when h of x is equal to negative 2, right? So they're giving you the output, they're asking you for the input. So I'm going to place that here, all of it, not inside of it. So negative 2 is equal to 12 over x. And then the cross product property, right? Cross product property. You guys can multiply diagonally. Remember that? If you guys have a fraction equal fraction and there's no other extra terms, if it's a fraction or a ratio equal to a ratio, you guys can multiply, okay? All right, I'm going to be really extra here, even though some of you would just switch it. This is really over 1. So then what is negative 2 times x? Negative 2x. What's 1 times 12? 12. And so then you would divide by negative 2, and you get negative 6. So that's the cross product property. Whoopsie. It's just a shortcut to like the reciprocal property, and then you would multiply or divide both terms. We'll do a lot of it. This is, yeah, it's all year, the cross product property. Okay, if we just keep going, because we got the video going. Okay, translate the following statements into coordinate points. Remember, every coordinate is x and y, right? You guys know that. But since we're talking about function notation, it's x, f of x, or h of x, or g of x, whatever function would we have, k of x? K of x, right? Okay, so if the input is negative 1 and the output is 1, what's my coordinate? Yeah, 1, negative 1, right? So this would just be 1, negative 1. Input, whoopsie, negative 1, 1. Sorry, you guys. Negative 1, 1. Input, output is 1, right? So then for B, what's your coordinate? Yeah, 2, 7. Input, output. Right? And then you guys could do, yeah, so C, that's what I'm looking at C. That's why I wrote 1, negative 1. So C is the 1, negative 1. So it's inside is the input, right? The equals your output. Okay, I'll shut this off.